Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the tablet or have explicit permission. This prevents account locks and policy conflicts. Once confirmed, backup photos and documents so nothing is lost. Next, open Settings and look for Device Management, Profiles, or VPN entries and disable or remove them. This prevents remote reinstall. Make sure to sign out of corporate accounts and document admin credentials and two-factor methods, because those are often required to fully remove enterprise controls. Now focus on removing the management and apps. You uninstall enterprise apps one by one from apps or the App Store and clear their cached data to avoid lingering settings. If an MDM client is present, follow the vendor's in-app removal flow. Sometimes you need an admin token. Request it from IT if possible. If the MDM blocks removal, make sure you have backups and account details, because you'll likely need to perform a factory reset next to fully strip device-level controls. Finish by performing a factory reset when MDM or policies still block removal. Go to Settings Reset or use Recovery Mode instructions for your tablet model. Once reset, restore your personal backup and check settings to confirm no corporate profiles or VPNs are present. If the tablet re-enrolls automatically on setup, make sure to remove the SIM or disconnect Wi-Fi before completing setup, and contact the company admin to deprovision the device. That stops automatic re-enrollment and resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.